I'm Tina Gill, and this is your January 2019 add-on kits available to go along with your flavors of the month. So we have an add-on for cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. You can add 1, 2, or all 3 of these to your flavors of the month to have it go even further and give you more options to create with. As you can see, Rochelle does a fabulous job matching up the cardstock to your patterned paper. For your cardstock add-on, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So for Chamelle's Head in the Clouds, you're going to get 1 sheet of Admiral and 2 sheets of taffy. And to go with Fancy Pants, the Yellow Door, you're going to get a 1 sheet of Yukon Gold and 2 sheets of Aqua. And then Jelly Bean Soups, you're going to get 1 sheet of Piglet and 2 sheets of Sunbeam. For Simple Stories, you're going to get a sheet of Passionate and 2 sheets of Concrete. So this is going to be great if you want to do cardstock for your backgrounds, you want to mat your photos, or do some digital die cutting for your projects. Next, let's take a closer look at all of the patterned paper. The patterned paper add-on gives you 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these papers are going to be included in your flavors of the month. They're going to be 2 additional patterned papers. So to start with Chamelle Head in the Clouds, we have this one called Bloom in Adversity, which are these beautiful dragonflies and butterflies along with the roses. The back is a diagonal turquoise stripe on white, the full branding strip with white polka dots on that dark pink. This one called Time for Tea, which are the teacups and the little saucer plates. The back is that dark pink with the white polka dot, and the branding strip has the unicorns in a field of flowers. And you can see how well this matches with this collection. You can really pull all the different collections together. From Fancy Pants, the Yellow Door, we have this paper called Welcome, which is kind of a starburst look in these triangles that make up the squares in the 2-toned pink. The back side is this big, bold floral print along with some butterflies and bows. This one called Autumn Days, which is the acorns and the little leaf. The back is a plaid design with black on kind of a cream colored background. From Jelly Bean Soup, You Make Me So Happy, we have this one that kind of has the doily shapes on a grid background. So hopefully that grid will show up. The back is a kind of a floral print on green. So that one's kind of a yellow green. This one's called Bonito Flakes, which has different flowers and the cacti in the pots. The back is this script on black, so it's joy, happy, little moments, beautiful you. And then Simple Stories Freeze and Season. We have this one called Flurries, which is a flurry of snowflakes in different sizes and designs and colors. The back is this grid design. It's like a quilt design in the kind of bluish green. This one called Sweater Weather, which are kind of border strips, so it reminds you of a sweater, but you could cut these apart and make borders out of them. It would be really cute. The back is a white polka dot, looks like snow falling on the pink background. So one more look at your patterned paper. Just some really gorgeous, fun collections this month. Can't wait to see what everyone creates with them. Our final add-on is one of my favorites, and it's the embellishment add-on. So you're going to get extra embellishments for each one of the collections. So starting with Chamelle Head in the Clouds, you're going to get a row of the glitter enamel dots. So again, all of your embellishments will vary. So this is just a representation of what you'll get. And you'll also receive a 5th pack of the ephemera. So these are the ones that I got. There's a word, some circles, a couple of icons, large and some smaller ones. You're also going to get to try one of Chamel's new pens. So I got the purple one. This is a dual tip pen. So it has a brush stroke tip, so you can practice if you haven't done brush lettering. It's really easy to do, as well as a fine tip so that you can do journaling. So I can't wait to play with that. So all of that will coordinate with your Chamel Head in the Clouds. Then for Fancy Pants Yellow Door, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So again, these will vary, but there are some word labels and some shorter long pieces, circles, all different kinds of shapes that you could tuck in and do your clustering with. And then Jelly Bean Soup, You Make Me So Happy. You're going to get half a pack of the foam stickers. So again, these will vary, but lots of words that you can create titles with. Then for Simple Stories, Freeze and Season, you're going to get one of the washi tapes. And again, these will vary. I got the one, let's see if I can get it going, with the little houses on it. So that's going to be fun to create with. As well as a third pack of the bits and pieces. So again, these will all vary. Lots of fun winter icons and some words to create some titles with. Love the little boy. So that's a look at your embellishment add-on. So one more look at your 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all the other kits available from the Scrap Room. There are full video reveals of each one of the kits available this month. Then come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to see what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. Also join in on all of the challenges that we have going along all month long. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click the coffee cup and subscribe, and you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.